How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do how to get rid of yellow teeth, step-by-step guide. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. So how to get rid of yellow teeth. If you look at my teeth are pure white. So what do? I do what's called oil pulling. Very simple to do. You get 2 tablespoons of olive oil, swish it in front of your teeth like this for 30 seconds, and then spit it out. First thing in the morning, I do my oil pulling. Right before I go to bed, after I brush my teeth, I do my oil pulling as well. Takes a total of 1 minute, 30 seconds in the morning, 30 seconds at night, a total of 1 minute of your day to get pure white teeth. I've been doing this for over 8 years, so it does work. Look it. I drink quite a bit of coffee too, so technically coffee should stain your teeth. Everyone that I know that drinks coffee, their teeth are pure yellow because coffee stains your teeth. It's the #1 stainer on your teeth. But my teeth, look it. Drinking all the coffee I want, and look, teeth are pure white still. Oil pulling is not new. Oil pulling has been around for thousands of years, believe it or not. A lot of people would sit, tribes back in the day, thousands of years ago, they would sit around their houses, their tents, whatever, and they would oil pull for 2 hours a day because there's lots of health benefits in doing it. I'm only doing it for the white teeth though. If you guys want, you can sit there and oil pull longer, but to get white teeth, all you have to do is oil pull in the morning and at night. So first thing in the morning, brush my teeth for 2 minutes. Make sure you're brushing for the full 2 minutes. That's what you should be brushing. And then oil pull when you're done. At night, brush your teeth for 2 minutes, but then floss. Make sure you guys are flossing every night. And then after that, oil pull for 30 seconds when you're done the flossing. Within 2 to 3 days, your teeth will get whiter. You'll start to notice the yellow is going away. Within 1 to 2 weeks, they'll be pure white. End of video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already.